What's going on, guys? We're back today for another video. I hope you guys are having a great day today. Sorry if you can't hear me under the mask, but gotta wear it. So today I'm going to Nebraska to spend a few weeks with my grandparents, and yeah, it should be pretty exciting. I'm up before the coffee shops this morning, so yeah, I'm just finding my gate now. I got through security, and the baggage claims took a little while because I had to end up checking my bag, but that's all right. It's gonna be a good day. Where is my gate? I think I see it. Okay, guys, so I made it to my gate. I'm gonna try to go get some food real quick because literally I have zero time at my layover in Maryland. My plane gets in at 9:45 and my other plane starts boarding at 8:55, so I'm gonna have to find my plane and get there really quick, so hopefully I don't miss my flight. Okay, I got my iced coffee. I think I'm ready to go. That line was outrageous, but I had no other choice. Get it on. Sitting in the very back by myself. Hopefully nobody sits by me. I wouldn't mind if I got this whole road light. You know, get what you get. It's a little dark, you can't really see much. Kind of one of those times where you feel like it's already like should be noon because you've been up for so long, but it's only like 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm not usually up this early. I'm just gonna put you guys in here for the flight. Let's go, boys. We got the whole road to ourselves.
While the flight attendants commands and leave everything behind. In the event of a water evacuation, there is a life
made it to Baltimore, and now I gotta find my next gate. I was wrong. It was 3 o'clock in the morning. I have a 2-hour layover, not a 5-minute layover. But you know, it's not that big a deal, but I gotta find my gate and take a poop because this just works that natural laxative on me real good. I have to find gate B11. Don't you just love spending $5 on a bottle of water though? I mean, come on. Anyways, like I mentioned, I do have a 2-hour layover here in BWI in Washington. So yeah, I have a little bit of time. I might get on my computer and do a little bit of school and stuff like that. The flight went pretty well. I was kind of scared flying a little bit just because COVID and stuff, but I haven't been too scared. They seem to do a pretty good job on the plane, like spacing out of the seats. Like I had a seat to myself, and it was like half capacity, or maybe like a third maybe. It wasn't nearly as full as it was when I flew in January, I think. So they're definitely taking the precautions needed to ensure that everybody's safe and stuff. And you're required to wear a mask, which in both the cities I've been in, they're mandatory in public anyways, so everybody's been wearing masks. And it seems like everybody's doing a pretty good job about that. They have it over their nose, most people, and it seems like they're obeying it pretty good, so I feel relatively safe. I am going back to Nebraska to help with harvest and stuff for a few weeks to stay with my grandparents. Yeah, it should be pretty fun, and they started harvest last week, I think. So yeah. Always interrupting me. They don't understand that people have to film. When we were flying in, I could see the White House, which was pretty cool. I wish I was like here for like a day or two so I could go explore, but not during these times. And I'm excited to go back home for a few days, so that's gonna be good. You gotta love online school. I just took an exam while sitting here waiting for my flight. Pretty good. Okay, so I'm about to board my second flight, and then my last flight. Yeah, it's my last flight, so excited to be home. Now to Kansas City.
Please step inside your row, allowing others.
It. Now I just go to it for my bag at the baggage claim and find my grandparents, which I assume they're here. They said they were going to be here, so let's hopefully they're here. Now I just have to wait for the bag at the baggage carousel. I always just want to get on those and just ride them around. It's just so tempting, but I can't, unfortunately. I did it when I was younger though. It's finally here. I retrieved my baggage. Now I gotta find my grandparents. Grandpa, where are you? I just wanted to let you guys know I made it here safe. I really appreciate you guys for watching today's video. It was just traveling, really. Yeah, I kind of enjoy. I get a sense of manly pride when I'm by myself traveling and doing stuff like that. I don't know why, but it's fun anyways. But anyways, yeah, I look forward to some awesome videos coming here real soon. So anyways, I'm tired. It's been a long day. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Roll the outro.